Here in Containment Unit 7, we observe the highly potent Eyelash Viper.
Temperature logs confirmed on Trolley 3.
Manifest verified. Releasing AGV for quarantine transfer. The Eyelash Vipers move slowly along a climate-controlled conveyor belt, passing through infrared thermal.
The optical sensors instantaneously calculate length and girth, providing critical data for biomass and venom.
Unlike Process A, display specimens receive fortified prey to ensure optimal aesthetic condition and long-term health. A controlled atmospheric shift subtly decreases the temperature and increases the humidity in the stabilization chambers. The robotic pipette system precisely draws the freshly collected raw Eyelash Viper venom. The container is then sealed.
The heart rate on 004 is still elevated.
Thermal regulations seem stable, though. I'll log the current respiration rate.
The clear yellow liquid is dispensed uniformly across the trays. This precise volumetric control is essential.
The robotic system precisely loads the Eyelash Viper venom. The technician verifies the seal, initiating the This primary drying phase is slow and highly controlled. The screen shows a gradual temperature increase.
Lid secured. Move it quickly to the inert chamber.
Transferring now, maintaining temperature stability.
Make sure the hazardous material sticker is aligned correctly.
Confirmed. All seals are intact.
Humidity at 85, temperature 28 Celsius, and the light cycle is set for 12 on, 12 off. Calibration complete.
The foam inserts are correctly positioned.
Good, let's get the labels on before the next AGV arrives.
This highly effective, lightweight material maintains the consistent tropical microclimate within the enclosure. Ensure
The bay is open now. All right, bringing it in slowly.
Temperature is steady at 25 Celsius. Seal the container now. Handover confirmed. Manifest and data logs are attached. Received. Chain of custody unbroken.
Temperature is stable at 28. Data logged. Handover complete.
This specific adaptation allows it to blend seamlessly with the foliage. The Process B system ensures the environment remains.
The Eyelash Viper, now successfully acclimatized, demonstrates natural locomotion within this high-tech display environment.
An extreme close-up focuses on the vibrant yellow and red scales of the Eyelash Viper, highlighting the consistent coloration that earned it.
Everything is in order on the manifest, and the specimen is stable.
We are very satisfied with the delivery and the condition of the Viper.
The Eyelash Viper, the culmination of Process B, continues to draw record crowds, proving the commercial viability of the pipeline.